Welcome everyone! Today I'm very excited to tell you about a project that I've been working on for years. YTPMVE, which stands for YTPMV Editor. If you don't know what a YTPMV is, basically it means getting a clean sample, auto-tuning it, and then pretending like it's an instrument and using it in a song, even though it really is. So making the audio for a YTPMV is relatively easy. You can do it in a digital audio workstation, and in a lot of cases you can just copy and paste MIDI in and then you're, good to go. But with the video, not so much. For years, people have been manually aligning video events with each individual note in a song. Each one's a different length, so they have to keep adjusting, and then they've got to compensate for frame differences. It can be very time consuming, and it's the reason why there's not a lot of people making YTPMV, especially in 2021. So for everyone who has made a YTPMV manually, myself included, I'm very sorry for you, especially after what I'm going to show you guys today. I thought there has to be a way to automate this. We can't just be manually moving video events around. It's so complicated and so simple. I did a lot of Googling and research, and I tried to figure out if anyone else has made something that will work for this, and it seemed that a lot of people tried to. None of their solutions worked, except for there was one that was made for After Effects, but it was pretty difficult to get set up. So I thought, it's up to me then, I have to find a way to make this work. But I didn't know very much about programming or where to even start. After years of studying and teaching myself, I finally came up with a solution that uses scripting in Vegas Pro. So today I'm just going to show you guys a preview and a demonstration of how it works, but I'll be releasing it for public use soon. This will entirely revolutionize the workflow to making music videos.
I have heard thy prayer, I have seen thy tears, behold, I will deliver thee YTPMV.
So without further ado, let's take a look at how this thing works, and I'm going to show you guys a demo. So, I got a video clip imported here. All I'm going to have to do literally is click on Tools, Scripting, YTPMVE, and then click on that one. Then I'm going to be prompted for a MIDI file, so I'll just click on the one I want, click open, and then here it goes. And boom! All of the video events are placed for the entire YTPMV automatically. It's literally that simple, and I just added the track, so that's literally creating a YTPMV in 7.5 seconds. So let's take a look at the first YTPMV that's been created in YTPMVE. Oh, that was so emotional. But as you can see guys, it does work. So I'm going to be releasing this very soon, and currently YTPMVE only supports single track MIDI files, but soon I'm going to make some changes so that it can take any sort of MIDI file, and then you can have multiple parts of the song appearing in the Vegas timeline simultaneously. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe so that you'll be the first person to know when I release an update. Leave a comment and tell me what you guys think. Peace out.